Hello, my friends. How are you today? I'm Peggy from O.S.B heat pump factory. So with the rise price of diesel and gas, people like the energy-saving products, such like our multifunction inverter heat pump. Now it is in great demand. It adopts total 5 working modes, which including air heating, air cooling, domestic hot water, air heating and domestic hot water at the same time, or air cooling and domestic hot water at the same time. And also, we have been asked very frequently by our customers, except installing the multifunction inverter heat pump, what else do we need to connect? So today, I would like to show you the connection example.
Except installing multifunction inverter heat pump, it is necessary to install 3-way well, circulation water pump, domestic hot water tank, water piping, and etc. About the domestic hot water tank, it is new and special design with built-in 2 inner tank, one for storage domestic hot water, the other for storage air heating water.